Have you been annoyed by the Extensibility Library DLL pop-up ruining your productivity? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist. Let's analyze .NET Extensibility Framework dependency and restore that missing file. To kick off the manual repair for Extensibility Library, you can also find an official toolkit designed for system-level synchronization. This is the Extensibility Library, a legacy Visual Studio Extensibility library. It provides unmanaged COM interfaces for creating add-ins for older Visual Studio and Office versions. It manages the orchestration of modular extension manifests and data links. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. This issue is best handled by the Windows Resource Protection Service. Open an elevated command prompt and enter sfc/scan now to allow Windows to identify and replace corrupted core files, such as Extensibility Library DLL. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Extensibility Library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. A quick warning, many sites offering Extensibility Library DLL are actually distributing modified files that can track your keystrokes and compromise your passwords. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. If you're managing system alerts or background maintenance tasks, the resource below offers general guidance related to Extensibility Library. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped Extensibility Library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.